Welcome to Math Challenge 139. Math Challenge brings you interesting math quiz problems, questions and patterns, useful for junior and senior levels of national and international Olympiads, numerical reasoning and quantitative aptitude tests, and other competitive exams. We have a set of 5 quick questions. Most of you would be able to solve them in the allotted time. This means that you would not have to pause the video. No or minimal rough work is required. So, just take a sheet of paper and a pencil, sit relaxed with a hot cup of the best coffee, and only write the answers. You may pause the video, but it is not recommended. At the end, the answer to each question, along with the working, using short trick artifices, are explained. Let's see how many you get right. Most probably, you will get all the answers right. This is question number 139.1. The question is, m square minus m cube is equal to 3 by 64. So, what is the value of m? Repeat, find m such that m square minus m cube is equal to 3 by 64. This is question number 139.2. The question is, x plus 7 factorial divided by x plus 3 factorial is equal to 7920. Find x. We repeat, the ratio of factorial of x plus 7 and factorial of x plus 3 is given. We have to solve for x. This is question number 139.3. The question is, a series of fractions, each with numerator m, is given. Their denominators are 3, 15, 35, 63, 99, and 143. The value of the expression is 48. Solve for m. If you can factorize the denominators in a regular pattern, it would take hardly 2 to 3 seconds. This is question number 139.4. Here is an equation in x. Left side is under radical sign. Under square root, we have 1 plus x by 169. Right side is 1 plus 1 by 13. Note that 169 is the square of 13. You can easily solve for x. This is the last question. Question number 139.5. Here is an equation in y. Left side is 6 power 12 divided by 12 power 6. Right side is y square. So, 6 power 12 divided by 12 power 6 is equal to y square. What is y? We have come to the end of the Quick 5 series of questions. Now we come to the answers. Hope everyone has completed the 5 problems and the answers are ready. So, now check your answers. And also, the shortcut tricks for their quick solution. Answer to 139.1. The denominator, 64, is both a perfect square as well as a perfect cube. Numerator is 3. This can be written as 4 minus 1 because 4 is 2 square and 1 is 1 cube. So, write the right side as 4 by 64 minus 1 by 64. 4 by 64 or 1 by 16 is square of 1 by 4. 1 by 64 is cube of 1 by 4. So, m is equal to 1 by 4. Answer to 139.2. 7 9 to 0 can be factorized as 11 into 10 into 9 into 8. This can be written as 11 factorial by 7 factorial. Comparing with the left side, we get x is equal to 4. Answer to 139.3. Break denominator as the product of two consecutive odd numbers. 3 is 1 into 3. 15 is 3 into 5. 35 is 5 into 7. And so on. Write each term as the difference of two fractions. The intermediate terms will cancel one another. We are left with m by 1 and m by 13. Solving, we get m is equal to 48. Answer to 139.4. Write 1 plus 1 by 13 as 14 by 13. Now, square both sides. Left side, just the radical sign gets removed. Right side, 196 by 169 can be written as 1 plus 27 by 169. Cancel out from both sides 1 and denominator 169. We get x is equal to 27. Answer to 139.5. Numerator 6 power 12 can be written as 6 power 6 plus 6, that is 6 power 6 into 6 power 6. Denominator 12 is 2 into 6. 12 power 6 can be written as 2 power 6 into 6 power 6. So, cancelling out the common factor 6 power 6. Y square is equal to 6 power 6 by 2 power 6, which is 6 by 2 whole power 6. Thus we get y square equal to 3 power 6. Or y equal to 3 power 3, or y is equal to 27.
Was that interesting? If you have any other method, we would love to learn from you. We shall come back with more interesting videos. Like, share the videos, and subscribe to our channel if you are a math lover. Till then, goodbye.